Ladies and gentlemen, this is me, Red Panda. Are you not happy when you're doing a one flamethrower but still burn down the thing? Well, I have the next best thing. The lava. The lava gun will absolutely destroy and burn everything. And you can extinguish it all. And then if you thought you didn't want to do anymore, you can just extinguish it. And it totally works. Decomposition means nothing. Okay. Well, I actually have something to try. So now if I go get something like, oh, I don't know, maybe this one that just happened to be there. And, oh. Right. Let's try this again. Go here, pick up this and drop it in. Well, would you look at that? It all burns. And it's out again. This is all black. Real quick, I gotta spawn something. You. Goodbye. How about we get something like, oh, I don't know, maybe just like, this. Oh man, the lava keeps going out. I got an even better idea. What if instead I just, oh man, I think I lost it. I lost my lava gun. Here, lava! That's a lot better. Now let's see. Not sure if I can open up this door. Oh, yes, I can open up this door. And boom, now I'm in someone else's house. No, this is my house. This is totally my house. And it's fine. Now, next what I want to do is then get rid of it. There we go. And I can, of course, still drive it. You don't need any of that. I got an even better idea. How about we just slap a Mega Booster on there. Get out my lava gun again just to see how well this works. Okay, so now with my Yeah, this is practically destroy anything. Let's just see. Oh, wait a minute. Remember our handy dandy friend, the Mega Booster? Maybe I can just, maybe I can just do this real quick, and maybe I can just do that, and yeah, definitely, yeah, totally. Oh, wait a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we just glitched on the map. give me a second while I work this out. Here we are, my favorite place in the whole wide world, the Adept place. Let me just fly up here because I have cheats enabled. Me to play any certain map, you just put that in the comments. Let's see. Whoa, what's wrong with this one? It's almost like someone cut something. Completely Jedi. You look bad. Yes. Yeah. Oh no. Timber! Okay, that was a little. I have an even better idea. How about we just get out my handy dandy mega booster and just, hey, get back here. Maybe we'll just drop these down. They're not that powerful. And just, but really are not that. Let me up the impulse a little bit. And that, and oh wow, what that is. Well, learn something new every day. Apparently mega boosters are not as strong as you thought. Wait a minute. I have a great idea, guys. Well, I bet this is the end of my video, guys. I'll see y'all later. Remember to like and subscribe.